Okay, I'm now going to show you how to accept credit cards. You start out the same way. You scan or tap an item, whatever the customer wants to buy. I'm just going to buy the small red long sleeve shirt. You then do the same thing. You always press charge, so press charge. But then you want to go to card. So if they want to pay with credit card, you want to go to card. It says card right here, and you could either tap or type the number, this number, long number, in the box here, or you can just swipe the card, which right here, you can just swipe it. So I'll show you. You just swipe it. It says approved. You then have to sign, and this thing turns. It turns for the customers, so just turn it around, have them sign with their finger, and turn it back around, so I'll show you. So you just sign like that, push done signing, and then it'll ask you to send receipt again, but this time it might give you, like, it knows this is my mom's credit card, so it knows my mom's phone number because of it, and sometimes it even types in the email address. So if you want to ask your customer, do you want me to send the receipt to your phone, have it texted, or do you just want me to print it? You can just ask them that question. I just want it printed. And that's kind of how you do it. It's pretty simple. So I'll show you one more time. You just go to charge, and then you just swipe the card. The screen will pop up, just swipe the card, have them sign with their finger, and then push done signing. And that's it. That's all you have to do for a credit card.